sis, can we normalize supporting Black-owned businesses? Oh, okay. Welcome back to my channel. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Girl, your girl got some goodies from a company by the name of Sister Products. I was so very fortunate to be able to get a few of their goodies from their website. Not long ago, I talked about self-care, self-love, and all the above. And honey, this ties into that as well. I hope you took heed to what I said last time, but if you didn't, honey, here's your sign again. This company is 100% Black owned, and it specializes in natural hair and skincare products. Miss Joyce has been dibbling and dabbling with creating these particular products for herself and family and friends, and recently decided to share it with you and us. I want to say that anytime I collab with a company, I always check out their website. I browse to see their prices and so forth. And I must say that website, child, was real detailed and thorough. I really like that. Sometimes when we're ordering products, we want to know what's in it. What benefits can I obtain from getting these products? And she had them laid out. So I remember seeing like about turmeric and what it does, and shea butter and what it does. And a lot of these products are what she uses in her products. I also noticed that these prices is real affordable, child. You know how I feel. We being bougie on the budget around here. All items that is in this box were not over, I believe, $25. This is how my packaging arrives, honey. A little black box. All black everything, Black Lives Matter. It came with the company's cards. These are my box of goodies. These were wrapped with kessels, so you don't have to worry about your arriving all banged up and everything. Like, they literally had each of these wrapped with tape in this plastic bubble. So it definitely is gonna get to you safe and sound. All of the products here are for hair care as well as skin. Okay, so this first one here is called Magic. Why immediately I start thinking I got the magic? I know. I'm so sorry, y'all. That's not this type of video. As far as smell goes, because I love smelling products, I know this smell. Kind of remind me of, y'all know that old school blue grease? Is it Blue Magic, or it's the one with the crown on it? It's like with a red container. Oh, y'all got grandmas and great grandmas that used to moisturize y'all scalp with that type of grease. And I ain't saying that it's the same products in this, but I'm saying that takes me back to that. The consistency with this is very like thick, but it's also very, it kind of reminds me of shea butter, which is probably made within. And as you can see, it's very, very moisturizing. Do you see that? Honey, look at that sheen. Look like I done been kissed by the sun, child. My hair always is normally thirsty, child. When I put this on after I wash it and use a few other of these products, when I tell you the moisture it absorbs and kept in my hair. So if you're having any issues with retention of oils or getting your hair to shine bright like a diamond, I think that this product will do you some good, because it damn sure did me good. This product claims to boost the health of your hair. It also strengthens the hair, conditions the scalp, it keeps the frizz down.
I might need to add a little bit of that to this here, because you know, tame that frizz, sis. Tame that frizz.
It also helps the hair to radiate and shine, honey. This was one of my favorite products in this entire package. One of. The next product here is called Shine. This here is a hair mask. This is what I use after I shampooed my hair. And as you can see, when it's that color, it's used with charcoal, and charcoal does a lot of goodies for your skin and your hair. I know that it's really good with absorbing and soaking up all the icky gicky stuff and bringing it out. This did not script the hair though. It's not like it was drying or anything. Like I said, it was very moisturized. This is the perfect name because it definitely gave that shine effect. It added moisture to my hair, and it also claims to be a anti-breakage, which your girl need. My hair be around here all stressed out and falling all over the place, so this will help. As far as the smell goes, because y'all know how I am about a smell, it just smells like a whole lot of natural. The next product is called Rebirth. And honey, that's just because you're gonna feel rejuvenated after you use it. It's a exfoliating body scrub. And what I liked about it was that it's not too harsh. Here's the inside and how it looks. They do have like the little balls. What is the balls called? Do that sound right? What is the balls called? The exfoliating balls. They do have some in there, but you could barely see them, which makes this non-harsh. You see them? Very small. And I was able to use this on my whole entire body. When I got out of that shower after using this scrub, I just felt like a new person. Now, another thing that this can be used for, child, is your feet. We know we is creeping into summer, right? Don't be out here with them little cracked, dusty, crusty toes, okay? Around here putting holes in your sheets and you're probably gonna need to get you some of this so you can get your life all the way together before you start wearing them sandals. Next product I'm gonna discuss is this Artisan Soap. This definitely gives me spa vibes. I just lathered it up and rubbed it all over my body. Just gave myself really a great cleansing. I just gained a lot of moisture. I'll put here on the screen exactly what it's supposed to do for this next product. I did not use because my skin, when it comes to my face, I have to be extremely careful. If I go to use anything new, honey, source starts to have a fit. Smells exactly like turmeric. This is supposed to be like a anti-wrinkle aging cream, and it has vitamin C, turmeric for lighting and bright. So this is definitely a really great routine to incorporate into your skincare routine. Another one of my favorites is the Astonish, and this is a hair scalp oil. I've been using the hell out of this on my kids' hair, on my hair. I'm really into aromatherapy and the natural products and oils and essential oils and so forth. I can smell a lot of those same products that I have in my room or that I use in my diffusers and things like that in these products. Here's how it looks. It's like that. But when I tell you it's so moisturizing, just look. And you combine this with Magic after you done use Shine, girl, you're gonna be all the way in there. Thirsty well. The number one favorite product here is this here, which is called Path. This is a foot cream. Now, it's supposed to take away the aches and pains for you ones who be up on your feet all day long and so forth. But I use this after I use that exfoliating scrub on my feet. And honey, when I tell you this brought my feet to life. The only thing bad I can say about this product is the fact that it wasn't enough, child. Wasn't enough. I'm around here with these big size 10s and I done damn near devoured this product. This was actually made with essential oils as well that's going to relax and calm, so I'm assuming that's lavender. I really don't have anything negatively to say with my experience when it comes to these products. I really appreciate the company sending these items out to me, child. I'm hoping that you take heed and you get your hands on some. I'm gonna put here the coupon code. Be sure to apply that to your order, boo. Save you a quarter too. I'm gonna be sure to have all of the company's information down in the description box below, honey. Until next time, later.